Welcome to Orange Blossom, an adorable renovated boho style 3-2 in inland Virginia Beach a little bit, but it's still only about 10-15 minutes away from multiple oceans. So you have plenty of time and opportunity to experience the classic Virginia Beach. As you can see, we open to an open floor concept. This home is designed for up to 5 people. So you can comfortably sit at the dining area, the living room couch, settle in for a movie night or a game night. The kitchen has everything you need to meal prep, store, and cook. All the basics in the cooking supplies department. We have your silverware, cups, plates. We even have kids silverware as well. So you can see this home is furnished with all the appliances you need, even a dishwasher for easy cleanup. Branching off of this kitchen is the laundry unit that you are free to use during your stay. And moving outside, we have this cute little patio area. You can enjoy the morning sunrise, sunset in this hammock. Grab your cup of coffee, and this will lead you out to the spacious backyard. You can see this is where we have the trash. There's the access point there to get them to the curb. This backyard is fully fenced, wraps around the whole house. This is a pet-friendly home, so this space is perfect for kids or pets to have fun, play. Come out here and relax as a family on those days off from your hard, long days of working while you're here in Virginia. And then it continues around to the front door. Going back into the home, we'll head to the living area. So when we take our first left, we have this hall bathroom, beautifully designed. This is where we got the name for the home, is Orange Blossom. It's after this bathroom. This is a shower tub combination, so perfect for any ages. And then moving here into our first bedroom, our king bedroom. This has an attached private bath. All of the homes in the, all the TVs in the home are smart TVs, so you can just log into your own apps so you don't miss any of your shows. As you can see, we have a huge spacious closet as well for you to store anything that you'll need. And here is the second bathroom. So this is just a walk-in shower. Perfect for this bedroom to have some privacy. We'll then move to our second bedroom, a twin. This is a great spot for anybody doing homeschool or has some homework, or even someone working while you're staying here in the area. We have a space for you, so you can stay focused. And then our last bedroom is our full bedroom. So 1 or 2 people can sleep here. All of the bedrooms have plenty of closet space for you. We hope you enjoyed this tour, and we can't wait to host you here at Orange Blossom. See you soon.